Hello everybody and welcome to the 10th exercise of this class and the last one. This time I want to talk to you about chaos. As Friedrich Nietzsche said, you must have chaos with you to give birth to a dancing star. Previous exercise we talked about minimalism to find the soul of the things, and this time we will use chaos almost for the same goal. As I said, when you go around taking pictures, there are a multitude of elements that can go into your scene, and sometimes with digital it's so easy to just think, yeah, I will post-produce out what I don't need. But sometimes it's very nice to think, okay, I'm in a chaotic situation. What can I get from it? So how can I use the chaos in my favor? And as I said to you before, for the minimalism, I have in front of me, behind the camera, a library with a ton of books in all positions, probably on 3 different levels and these kind of things. And as a minimalistic thing, I was thinking I can take out a book and just photograph a single book or a single page of a book or a few words on a book. But in this case, I look around and I think, okay, chaos. Why don't you use this chaos of books to actually express the essence of this accumulation of books in 3 generations? So that's the thing. Try to look for subjects to put in a chaotic situation, and still you must have the essence of the subject. You must still express what is the essence of the subject, and try to see what elements in the chaos are positive and are giving more force to the concept and the subject you want to photograph, and what kind of elements are distracting. For example, in front of me in the library, there's on the floor a graphic tablet box. That's absolutely an element that is distracting. So this is the kind of things you want to look for. Do chaotic images. You can see it in the food photography a lot. There are usually 2 different genres. One is very minimalistic and one is with all the elements around. You have a recipe, you have the dish, and you have all the original elements, ingredients that you will put in the recipe, put around in sometime in a chaotic way, and then can give you some sort of warmth, while minimalism transmit usually a cold feeling, a very precise and rational feeling. Chaos can transmit you the warmth, the welcoming, the something that hugs you. So try to do some images that are very, very chaotic, but still you can discover, you can see what is the subject, what is the photograph about, and what is the essence that you want to transmit and the idea that you want to communicate. So that's all. Again, do the exercise, post your images and your feelings in the project page so we can discuss it. And by the way, with the chaos you can use all the elements of the previous exercise and put them together to try to do this exercise much better. That will be kind of fun. This is the end of this class. I hope the exercises were good for you, and do them and post them and discuss them. Thank you very much. See you again for the next class. Bye.